This is the final part. Yeah, it's all about the SRR setup. So the setup simply comprises of a support, resistance, support breaking to at least two resistances. There can be more, but the minimum should be two resistances. A single support in a single move coming to break two resistances. Then we mark out the zone at the support down here. So when price retests the zone at the support, we can buy confirmation, usually like candle rejection. It's so simple. Let's go and dive into some examples. So this is my chart, trading view, and as I said, we want to see the support breaking two resistances. I usually mark my resistances using the SRR. My resistance and support. So this is the first one. This is the second one. Actually, yeah. Price broke out. Three. Yeah, price broke three resistances before continuing, and then reacted to this resistance for coming lower. And this is the support that caused that move. The lowest support was this one. So, and the zoning there, it's just this drop base rally. We might call it an engulfing, whatever name you could name it. So we said price starts with candle rejection, then we can take the move. So this could be our setup. It didn't go that far, but remember, we target the nearest roadblock. So here I think I'll enter around there. Stop loss always below the zone, and then my nearest roadblock was this, because you remember the compression setup, and you see how price was moving. It was moving from a compression setup, this base zone over that sell zone. Yeah, whatever method you used to and I discussed about that thing in the previous videos. That setup, the compression setup, just a candle rejection, then we are good to go. Maybe I can get another one. Yeah. Let's also get a selling one. You see here, this is so the support broken. When it's a bullish setup, we call it SRR. When it's a bearish, we call it RSS. So we are breaking supports by one resistance. You see these two support levels were broken by this resistance level. Over it's clear, and then the zoning I had here was this. Yeah, rally. So I think if I am to use basing thing, the base technique, you didn't have an entry yet. The entry was right this way, and it would get stopped out, of course. Yeah, and it's okay to get stopped out. You don't think that you always make it, but already here. Why I would not just enter this setup from right here, because you see it has already made the move, the big move. It has cleared all the resistances I would be targeting. That is why I would not just take that one. But then for the engulfing technique, this is selling structure, this is an engulfing. As we know, an engulfing is just like another block. And you see, after breaking these resistances, it retraced, touched the zone, and started going low. And for us, as long as it touches, we are entering that zone, which has the highest support that caused the thing. And since here, by the time it came here, it had already cleared, we were just supposed to target more resistances, but we could not even see any resistance. So we could just take it till when you see structure changing. Maybe I could take it up to there. I think it's super easy, super clean. I don't think there is anything hard with this SRR setup. Or you might call it a swap zone setup, breakout. What else do I see? Actually, it's so easy. It's so easy. That's what I can tell you. It's so easy. And so here we have this resistance. This one right here. It's a resistance. We got this one. Yeah, all these are resistances. There are strong resistances, as you can see. 1, 2. Here in fact it cleared a large number of 3 resistances. 1, 2, 3. Cleared all of them. Where is the lowest base for this one? We could not take this one because it was not fresh. This one, okay, it was the only one there, we could take it, but it was not fresh. So, and I had this one, so I could first concentrate on this one because it was a fresh base over engulfing, whatever you may call it another block, whatever. Candle closed with the rejection. Of course, just buy target, then here is the resistance. So here we find this one where the target is high, right there, and that is so enough. Yeah, you see 180 pips, yeah, 190 pips, just that move. Then see price is breaking. So even here when it reached here, it had broken resistances. You see that one? Price broke that one. Then we got also this one. Price broke this one too. Those are 2. So you could take, and the support is right here that broke them. Said I use Malaysian SMR to mark out these ones. The supports and resistances. So this was the zone which you could use here, but you see price just wrecked through it. And remember the confirmation, the candle should tap and close with a rejection. So what did the price do here? Price was looking out for this. You see this support right here. Yes, we had used it right here, but we could still use it. No worries. And the price simply came rejected. You could enter. So price wicked through a zone. That's why sometimes you can take a through by 14 pips. Sometimes that's why you can consider that you can nobody close below your zone. So when you could take it. So this was our trade right here. This is how you calculate it. Of course, you worked through it, depends on your equity. Yeah, it dictates how you hold it. Either you get the profit, which is okay, or you would hold it. This was the nearest resistance. This one was here, a support become resistance. That was the trade. I see it as small, but I'm sure that. So since the resistance becomes support, so let's ping pong, and here price stopped here. And why would I exit from here? Because now, since this is a setup, we should already be knowing the other setups. You see this? Remember the extreme line thing? Hope you remember this setup. You see it there? The X setup. Breakout, retest this one, and this is the zone we have right here. Did you get it? Yeah. This was the trend line course. If you don't remember it, I said practice this X setup. Yeah, it's the same, the exact setup that was here. That's why you buy here, you stop here because you see, and then you enter here and price tapped and rejected. So on retest, you just take yourself from right here. I think the things are so easy. And that's how you get it all the way to this resistance level. This way. That is how you would capture number of pips from right here to this low, 250 pips. Imagine, just buy here, sell here. The thing is easy, just apply the knowledge, master each setup, then you'll see the market having a lot of setups. You can just do it cold. One pair is enough. You can get over. You can even get 20 setups in one day. Now imagine here, these are just 3 setups, just from 9:30 to 5. Yeah. From 9:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. You already have such setups. Imagine. So I tell you, I think it's so easy. The setups are present on the market. Really get them. Just remain focused. That's what I can tell you. Master the setups really well. Maybe I'll be doing some trade recaps sometimes. Yeah, that's all I'm left with. But all the setups have been uploaded. I've made them. Just study them really well. Ask any questions where I don't know. Where you get really well. I'll be happy to help you. Just apply, use the logic. Yeah, sometimes most of the losses shall be due to mistakes. So practice. Don't say that you know how the setup looks. Practice it. Yeah, even if you know how to spot it, practice. Get 50 examples marked on the chart and journal those setups. Let a document, put all those screenshots. Say X setup, 50 screenshots of those setups, and have that data with you. That will help you faster and avoid mistakes. Then that way you can ping pong the market. You can get moves and just say, I'm tired, I'm really tired, let me just rest. When money is just flowing, remember full margin. You see, it doesn't go so much into drawdown. If you see all the setups I've been showing you over the previous videos, it does not go into deep drawdown. It's just super simple and straightforward. Yeah, you can full margin and get all the money you love to get. Yeah. With that, I wish you well. Bye. Hope you get what you want out of the market. I remain